After driving through the mountains, we encountered roads that abruptly ended as state workers worked on restoring the damaged infrastructure. We made our way to Chimney Rock from the western side and saw just how devastating the damage was. Roads were wiped off the map and buildings destroyed.
Those workers there.
Afterward, we headed back to Swananoa to visit some areas we hadn't reached yet from our supply drop-off list, hoping to deliver aid where it was most needed. The destruction was overwhelming, but we were